You've tuned into The Mountain Gardener with your host, Ken Lain. Gardening, it can be challenging, but with these simple insider tips, you'll reap huge rewards. Now, let's tune into today's Mountain Gardener with Ken and Lisa. All right, I had mentioned at the bottom of the hour how to grow or what varieties of hydrangeas you can grow here in the mountains. Now, mine is not in bloom right now. We've had some weather, so it's been some snow, it's been some cold, it's been some warm. But the hydrangeas, they are leafing out like crazy. So there's no holding them back. They start to leaf out when the peonies start to grow up. So they kind of keep going and they start to bloom, usually in May sometime. And so we are forcing 5 different varieties of hydrangea. And they're all the repeat blooming, they're blooming on new wood. They're repeat bloomers. They're the preferred newer colors. They're the big pom-poms. Like they're not the summer. There's some August varieties that get real tall, have big white long flowers, kind of elongated, it's like a lilac bloom on steroids. It's not that, and they're typically only white. The brightly colored ones you see on the front of magazines, the ones you see in all the design style stuff, they will grow in your yard. They're the ones with the fancy pom-pom colors. A bush will have 10, 15 color. They're just loaded. I would encourage you. Now I've got a blue series. It's called Newport hydrangea. It's pretty blue, but it's going to have some, if you've grown them in other parts of the country, it'll have a pink hue. I actually prefer the Kitty Hawk variety. It's a light pink, but it's got the most fragrance. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. And the light color over the dark foliage is just striking, especially if you got it in a container up close by where you're watching sunsets or sipping your coffee in the morning. It's the one. I've got the Hamptons, which is it's a brighter pink with a red edge. I've got Martha's Vineyard. That one is red. It's like, wow, I've never seen that color, because you've never seen that color, because you can only get it if you pre-order it. And I'm sure I'm going to run out before they even get here. So, but they're all out there now. And then the last one, Cape's Lookout. It's just a pure white. It's beautiful and a great fragrance. So you got 5 varieties. I'm working to see if I can't add to this. These are all Mother's Day gifts. So you order them now, then they arrive the week prior to Mother's Day. So you got to get them now. You can't come into the store and get them. They're not going to be here. They're arriving the first week in May. That's just the only way. I might be able to secure a few others. I have a feeling I will completely run out of these, and I'll see if I can get some other stragglers out there, some other varieties. These are the ones. These are the ones you want. Either for your mothers, for gifts, or for yourself. These are the ones. If you're thinking hydrangeas, just make sure you've got them in a shaded area, out of the wind, and they will thrive. They'll be beautiful. They'll be exactly what you're seeing in the magazines. I'm trying to collect some dinner plate dahlias. I think I got a hook on. I'm trying to see if the crop will be ready. A mystic blue salvia, a butterfly magnet, which should be great, and some hanging baskets. So I'm trying to get some new varieties of vinca, I think calibrachoa. So we'll add to the collection. It's from now through April 13th or 14th, one of those two. If you want to take a look at that, if you're in our ecosystem, you're on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, anywhere, you're seeing it. But if you want to go directly to watersgardencenter.com, it's right there. So you right up front, you can buy them right now. And then we'll put your name on it when they show up. We go, hey, they're here. Come pick up. I think the pickup is May. Don't go 3rd, 4th. No, it's April 29th through May 3rd, something like that. It's midweek or something. That's going to be the pickup date. So you buy them now, pick them up later. That's how you grow hydrangeas. And those are the varieties you can have. And yes, you can grow those from Waters Garden Center. Waters Garden companion plants of the month are lilac, poppy, purple plums, and our songbird columbine.
This graceful beauty dances in the shade of the garden, holding its head high, smiling back at you.
This bloomer comes back each spring with lacy green foliage, promptly followed by amazing two-tone flowers.
An excellent cut flower that is both deer and rabbit resistant.
So hardy, some varieties naturally call Arizona home.
Songbird columbine can only be found at Waters Garden Center in Prescott.
For a more fruitful garden, increase success in the landscape that just feels better, then tune in daily to the Mountain Gardener podcast. Subscribe through your favorite podcast streamer or visit watersgardencenter.com. Better yet, visit me directly right here at Waters Garden Center. Thanks for tuning in.